Hey everyone, I'm so excited for this unboxing. Can you guess the color that I got? So when you open up the box, you get the Galaxy tablet, which is very slim now. You get this very beautiful white pen. And in this cardboard box, you get the SIM card tray injector, you get the charging cable with no charger head, and you get the manual. Dun, da, da, da. So yeah, I don't know if you guessed it right, but I got the color black, which is very, very beautiful. And for the case, I know boring black. I'll order new ones online. And I already have them installed the screen protector because I'm not taking any chances. But there you have it. Very pretty. Thanks for watching. Bye.